Hi guys, so today let's make prawns Italian pasta, white sauce pasta. I'm going to make it very easy for you guys. Let's go for it. Cheers. So let's get started. We'll take prawns and we'll take black pepper and salt. Little bit of garlic powder, we'll use thyme little bit, and rosemary. And a little bit of olive oil. And give a really nice mix. And we'll let this for say 10 minutes and then we'll start frying. So let's get started. We'll add prawns in this. At the same time we heated up pasta in this. So let it boil. At the same time we'll cook this. So we're going to cook this for say just 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. So it's almost cooked. You can see it's changed the color. Looks perfect. So it's almost done now. Let's take it out. So it should cook like exactly like this, in the shape of C. It's cooked well. So with the same pan, we're going to take butter and make a sauce, white sauce. So you have the same herbs, you can use the same herbs for sauce. You don't have to add extra herbs in this. If you want, you can add garlic. I want to keep it simple, so I'm going to use this way. Perfect. So now I'm going to add flour. It's maida. 1 cup of flour for 1 cube of butter. Perfect. Same time, the pasta is almost ready. Add milk according. So it should be thick. If you want more thick salt, you can add flour, more flour, but I guess this is better. So once slowly it gets thick, add more milk. Mix it well. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. Add milk more. So we used 1 cup of milk. Looks lovely, and then we will add a pasta in this. So this is done. So let's wait for pasta to be done. So you can see the pasta is ready. Let's take out. So you can see it's ready. So let's place here. Put our prawns in this. And then here we go with the sauce. Here we go. Perfect. You can see it's come beautiful. So here we go. Italian pasta, white sauce. It's come good. I'm gonna taste it. Do bismillah. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers.